What if I told you this entire cozy cottage makeover came from thrift stores, flea markets, Facebook marketplace finds, and roadside treasures? In today's extreme home makeover, I transformed a plain, outdated space into a warm Pinterest-worthy cottage home on a tiny budget. This video is packed with affordable home decor ideas, thrift flips, DIY decorating inspiration, and cozy aesthetic trends that are exploding across YouTube and TikTok right now. If you love cottagecore decor, budget-friendly room makeovers, and sustainable living hacks, you're going to love every second of this transformation. Before shopping, I wanted the house to feel like stepping into a peaceful countryside retreat hidden somewhere in New England. Think warm wood textures, vintage-inspired decor, soft lighting, layered blankets, antique frames, woven baskets, and calming earthy tones. Cozy cottage interiors are one of the biggest home decor trends in the US because they make small spaces feel comforting, luxurious, and timeless without needing expensive furniture. My goal was simple: create a high-end designer look using mostly secondhand decor and budget DIY projects. The best part of this makeover was the thrill of the hunt. I visited local thrift stores, estate sales, antique markets, and clearance sections searching for hidden gems that looked expensive but cost almost nothing. I found vintage lamps, distressed wooden shelves, floral dishes, cozy throw blankets, and even a gorgeous farmhouse mirror for under $20. Budget decorating ideas like these are becoming wildly popular because viewers love seeing realistic home transformations without luxury price tags. Every item had potential, it just needed creativity and vision. The living room was the heart of the makeover. I laid neutral-toned pillows, added warm ambient lighting, styled thrift books, and used soft textures to create a cozy living room aesthetic that feels straight out of a Netflix home design series. One of the biggest secrets to luxury home styling is mixing textures instead of buying expensive items. Faux candles, secondhand curtains, vintage coffee table decor, and affordable wall art completely changed the atmosphere. Suddenly, the room felt warm, inviting, and incredibly expensive, even though almost everything was thrift. I wanted the kitchen to feel like an old countryside cottage where fresh bread is always baking and coffee is always brewing. Using thrift jars, wooden cutting boards, open shelving, and vintage-inspired kitchen accessories, the entire space became brighter and more functional. Cottage-style kitchens are trending heavily in home decor because they blend comfort with simplicity. The best part is that most vintage kitchen decor costs less than modern designer pieces. Tiny details like brass hardware, ceramic bowls, and warm lighting made the kitchen feel completely transformed. For the bedroom makeover, I focused on creating a relaxing sanctuary using cozy bedding, warm neutral colors, and soft light textures. One major trend in bedroom decor right now is the quiet luxury aesthetic, spaces that feel elegant without looking flashy. I achieved that by combining thrift linen curtains, vintage nightstands, soft cream blankets, and affordable ambient lighting. The result feels like a luxury Airbnb cottage hidden in the mountains. This room proves you don't need expensive furniture to create a beautiful, calming bedroom retreat. some of my favorite pieces in the house actually looked terrible when I bought them. I used easy DIY home decor hacks like chalk paint, wood stain, peel and stick wallpaper, and vintage distressing techniques to completely reinvent old furniture. DIY furniture flips are dominating YouTube because viewers love seeing dramatic before and after transformations. One outdated side table became a stunning rustic cottage centerpiece with just a few dollars in supplies. These simple DIY upgrades are perfect for anyone decorating on a budget but still wanting a high-end interior design look. Lighting completely changes how a home feels, and honestly, it's one of the most underrated decorating secrets. Instead of relying on harsh overhead lights, I used warm lamps, fairy lights, candles, and soft ambient lighting to create that cozy cottage atmosphere everyone loves online. Interior designers often say lighting creates emotion inside a space, and they are absolutely right. Even inexpensive rooms can feel luxurious when the lighting is warm and layered correctly. This single change made the entire house feel peaceful, cinematic, and incredibly inviting. When I finally stepped back and looked at the finished makeover, it honestly didn't feel like the same house anymore. Every corner now tells a story through vintage finds, handmade decor, and carefully chosen cozy details. The transformation proves that beautiful interior design isn't about spending thousands of dollars. It's about creativity, patience, and learning how to style a space with intention. This extreme budget makeover combines modern cottagecore trends, sustainable decorating ideas, and timeless home styling techniques that anyone can recreate in their own home. This entire cozy cottage makeover taught me that creating your dream home is possible even on a tiny budget. With thrift decor, DIY creativity, and smart styling tricks, ordinary spaces can become warm, beautiful, and deeply personal. Whether you're decorating your first apartment, renovating a small home, or simply searching for affordable home decor inspiration, I hope this makeover encourages you to start creating a space you truly love. Sometimes the most beautiful homes aren't built with money. They're built with imagination, patience, and a little bit of thrift store magic.